Welcome to this new video. We're going to find out how to convert a JPEG file to a PDF and vice versa through the use of the LovePDF site that is free and an online service. On the home page, we find among the many possible actions the two we are interested in, one next to the other. We start by converting a JPEG to PDF, and in the new screen that appears, we can go and select our file from our Google Drive or our Dropbox or from our folders. Now I am going to look for any random images to save. And for example, I chose this one and this other one. And I want two of them because I can create a PDF that has at least 2 pages to work on, and you can see how it will become. So now let's go back to the site, and here, though we are given the option to enter just one JPEG, however, going forward with this plus icon, which then reveals basically the same icons as before, we can enter one more other images. After that, we'll be able to choose the orientation of the pages of the document, whether horizontal or vertical, and also the size. Of course, this one is the canonical size for the regular printers, so still it's up to you and the use that you're gonna do with the file. And finally, we can choose whether to leave some space between the borders of the images and the ones of the pages, so a margin, a little bit smaller or larger. And now, having chosen our preferences, we can proceed to convert, and at this point in the new screen, it should automatically start downloading the document, which then, with the icons at the bottom as usual, we can save to Drive or Dropbox or delete it if we have forgotten or want to change something in our document. And finally, we can share it via a generated link to copy and send to whomever we wish, or via QR code to frame and scan. Now, let's try the reverse process instead. So let's go back to the home page and click on the other feature, and then let's go and select one of our PDF files in the same ways as before. And in this new screen, we can see two options that are presented to us. The first one is to turn each page into a JPEG, so into a compressed image file, where, however, the text, if there is any of course, will no longer be editable. The second option, on the other hand, is to extract only the images of the PDF and convert them, not considering the text at all instead, in case again it is present. So I will choose the first option, and in the new screen it will download what I requested, which can be saved and shared as before, with all the options we had before. So here it is. We're going to open it and see how the text has become part of the two generated images that we can now use just as images in this way. Well, that's it. I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want, you can also join as a supporter to help us create new content. Leave a comment for any question or suggestion, and we will see you in the next video.